Finally, some IPOs that you can get behind this week. We've got Envision and Third Point. Both of them look like companies that investors could take part in. The first up that we'll talk about is Envision. So, Francis, when you take a look at Envision, it's kind of an interesting company because they do provide outsourced medical care. They'll set up the ER staffing and management for hospitals, and then they'll also do an ambulance service.
Right. They're the largest in the business of staffing, the doctor staffing, as you mentioned, and 63% of the revenue and 80% of their operating earnings are coming from that particular segment. And so it's a growing segment with what's going on in the medical business. Institutions always like to buy profitable companies that are the leader in the segment. And the ambulance service contributes about 20% of their operating income. And they're the largest in the business. If you compare this with Team Health, which is also in the physician staffing business, it's one-time sales. Team Health is 1.2 times sales. On the other metrics, it seems a little overpriced. But I think the way the market is now and the way the institutions are, they're hungry for new companies that are big, that are established, that are dominant in their industry. And this one fits that particular bill.
Then we have another company, Third Point. It's a reinsurance company, fairly new to the market. So it seems like this is an investment that people will be looking to the management of the company, which is pretty established, executives that have been in the reinsurance business for years.
Right. They have they've recruited a very good top management team. It's coming at $1.36 billion market cap. And what happened, it's a property and casualty and reinsurance company. And the appeal here is it doesn't have any, it's a clean balance sheet. They don't have any kind of historical potential liabilities that could cause reserve increases. And it's coming at 1.1 times book. If you look at the earnings, most of the earnings this year have come from their investments. And their investments are outsourced to a hedge fund that has about $13 billion in assets. And they're also a shareholder. So I'm not sure whether that, I know that investment income is not recurring, but they put it in, it looks good on a PE basis. But the basic thing is 1.1 times book value for a clean new property and casualty insurance company. They started operations writing insurance January 1st, 2012. And right now they're by AM Best, which is the ranking system for insurance companies. They've got an A-. So I think that one's okay on the IPO.
All right, well, there you have it. 2 IPOs that investors can probably get involved with. That's Envision and Third Point Reinsurance.